Hi and welcome back to this build status update for the new backplane. So after soldering everything up, I have repopulated the new backplane. You can see here that the new power delivery is using this new barrel socket here instead of going through the user port interface here. Both of the LED lights are on, indicating that there is good power, and actually the video output, this is kind of like the power on state. There's no configuration of any graphics data or anything like that. So this is what it looks like. This is just pseudo-random data in the memory. So I have repopulated the video board, the characters layer, the tiles layer, the normal sprites, and then the scaled sprites layer, and of course this huge, great big audio board. So I'm just about to test the audio demonstration. This is a pre-assembled program, so I know that it worked in the previous version before I unplugged everything and plugged it back in. So I'm just about to click the go button now, which sends it to the Easy Flash, then to the Commodore 64. And here we are. That's all pretty good. So this screen display is the default power on initialization screen display. It's like a test card. It just shows me that everything is working in the various different layers. There's the characters layer, the tiles layer, some sprites, expanded sprite I think, or maybe this is the tiles or something like that. All of this other vertical data here is the scaled sprites layer, which is actually not initialized by the standard test card. So everything is working again as it was before when it was using the previous version of the backplane. So everything looks nice. If I stop the music, there we go, I can use the debug joystick to start the different debug channels. There we go. And I can hear that all works nicely. What I can do is that I can reset this now, and I can start uploading to the Commodore 64 in chunks the different graphical data. So this is the first chunk of graphical data. I'll get rid of that, and then we'll do the next chunk. There are 4 data chunks for this because actually there's quite a lot of graphical data. There we go. That's probably the character and color screen data. Data chunk number 3. Off it goes again. There we go, and it's populated the character screen data now. Reset the Commodore 64 again. It doesn't take too long for the Commodore 64 to send multiple chunks of 64K of data over the user port, because it's an auto-incrementing external memory interface, so that the Commodore 64 actually doesn't need to do any memory incrementing itself. And here we go. This is the last one, which is the actual code. There we go. That looks great. If I press fire, bing, bing, there we go. Goes into this demonstration. Lets me move around. I can shoot. I can shoot. Commodore 64 is still really happy running all of this. So there's a ton of hardware which lets the Commodore 64 do this. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my crazy electronics projects to expand retro hardware, then please do send me a like or a subscribe or a comment for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and take care and have a great day.